Hey there, I'm Peggy with atthestarlings.com. Today I wanted to show you how to make peanut butter and other nut butters. When I found out how easy this was, I decided I'm never buying peanut butter again. And I don't think you should either, because it is way too easy to make it. It's absolutely delicious when it's fresh and hasn't been sitting on a shelf forever. So come along and I'll show you how I make it. So I am using dry roasted peanuts here. You want to use at least 2 cups so that it can blend well, but you want to use dry roasted so you don't add any extra oil to this. So I'm blending it up here with my Vitamix, and I highly recommend a Vitamix. If you don't have one, you could probably use another high-speed, high-powered blender. It was starting to get away from me a little bit there, but something like a Blendtec you could also work for this. But all you do is blend it up. I'm using my little thing that goes in the Vitamix to kind of stir it around some, and it's really simple. You just keep it mixing there, and then you're gonna crank up the speed. I crank it up to about a 7, and in total it takes about 3 minutes to make this. I could not believe how easy this was, so I decided I'm always going to make peanut butter this way. Now I'm just using dry roasted peanuts with sea salt, but you could add some honey to this or another sweetener if you wanted to sweeten the peanut butter. My kids are used to no sweetener, just peanuts and salt for their peanut butter. And to buy that at the store, it's very expensive. So buying peanuts in bulk and doing it this way is much more cost effective and just super simple. So I've got it nice and creamy. I like for it to be super creamy. So I'm showing you here what it looks like. Nice and creamy and perfect. It's spreadable. I didn't have to add any extra oils or anything. It spreads perfectly onto the bread. Nice and creamy. So easy. So anyone can do this. You can make your own peanut butter, and you can control the ingredients that are in it. So to get a full jar, I use about 4 cups of the dry roasted peanuts. So that's what it looks like once I get it all put into the jar. And I've also made some almond butter, and that's also really delicious, and it's made the exact same way. And you can see it's also nice and creamy and perfect. I hope this video was helpful for you today. Please hit subscribe, come along with me on my other homemaking adventures, and I also make videos on homeschooling and family discipleship. I'll see you next time.